You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, Italian name, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you, so let's break it down. The Italian pronunciation, Ciccio. Essentially, you can replace the double CI in the middle with CH, okay? Spell it CHICHO. The double C means you stress on that second cho syllable. The I is just there to make the C soft, okay? Anyhow, Ciccio. All you have to remember, Ciccio, Ciccio, Ciccio. It's easy. And now you know in English the pronunciation, Ciccio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.